If you read the newspaper, all you ever hear is how there's a shortage in the job market. There's no skilled trades. Well, this is a trade school. This is the solution to all of those problems. We provide skilled labor and skilled trades to that vacuum that apparently exists.
The purpose of the MiLL is to encourage students to get involved at the MiLL and ensure that if they complete their coursework at the MiLL, they'll be gainfully employed the day they step out and graduate.
The powerful part of this model is our instructors are directly from industry, and they've been there. They know what these kids are going through, what these students are learning, and what it's going to take for those students to make it to that next level once they graduate from high school. I think that's one thing we want to continue to focus on and maintain, is just ensure we have instructors that truly understand what's expected of our students once they enter the workforce.
I came to one of the first open houses for here at the MiLL, and I decided to come and check it out, and it was just amazing to see a trade school coming to Colorado Springs. From there is when I started volunteering for the MiLL and being able to start teaching.
It is definitely a mentorship. It's the only job I've ever had that I'm excited to go to work every single day. I want to make a better experience for everybody involved. It's really to get the kids to take ownership and actually learn about taking ownership of not only the project they're building, but the life that they're building. That is extremely fulfilling on top of everything else.
I remember what it was like to be a kid and not know what they wanted to do. They need this time to be themselves more. And I want to give them at least a space where, one, they're learning skills, but that there's somebody who's there to, listen. Engaging and hearing their story, what they are passionate about and what they want to do. Mentorship is a big part of it because of that.
What we do here at the MiLL is encourage students to realize you need to be a self-starter. You need to come to work or the MiLL prepared and be proud of what you do. That's why we try to stress along the way, follow instructions, ask questions. We're here to support you so that you can be proud of the project that you're going to come up with at the very end. Kids all have different things going on outside of school, and we're here to kind of wrangle them up and give them some instruction and be a positive influence in their life. I was lucky enough to have a nice upbringing and education, and so I'm kind of just giving back to what I was lucky enough to have. I'm helping to leave my mark on the world.
I think the thing that I mostly enjoy about teaching is kind of twofold. I come from this industry. I grew up here through high school. I worked construction. I loved working with my hands, and I saw what they were doing here at the MiLL and at the other district and decided that that's what I wanted to do. And now that I'm here and I see these kids exploring something that they had no idea was available to them. And I think the biggest thing is seeing some of them come out of their shell. The ones that just do not participate, all of a sudden we have something that interests them, something that they can do on their own and achieve something. And when you see that smile on that face, that makes a huge difference.
We work with a lot of our industry partners such as Microvellum, who has over 20 to 30 employers within our region that utilize Microvellum, and recognize the importance of our kids utilizing that software within our program, because they know that that software then can carry over to all of those employers that are looking for skilled workers.
I wish I had a place like the MiLL to come to when I was in high school. You know, since schooling wasn't like the most exciting thing for me, it would have been pretty cool to get an opportunity to come to a place like the MiLL and actually get to work with my hands, and then even getting into, you know, learning how to use a software to take it to the next level.
I look at what the MiLL has done here and what they're doing for the industry, and not just millwork industry, but for trades in general. And, you know, it's such a cool opportunity that I don't think a lot of young people realize is available. You know, the trades have kind of been forgotten for a time, and they're slowly making their way back. And I think through places like the MiLL and other CTE programs across the country, as more people get involved and start taking these classes, they're going to realize that there is a career path for them, that they can succeed, you know, by working with their hands and make a good, comfortable living doing that.
The success that we've seen at the MiLL does not occur unless we have those partnerships and relationships with industry. The bottom line is we can't do what we do here at the MiLL without the generosity of partners who are providing either money, resources, or time to help us elevate the skill level of the students involved in our programs.